Today, I'll show you how to transfer a Vercel project from your personal account to a team, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to avoid common mistakes so your project keeps running smoothly during and after the transfer. First, open your browser and go to vercel.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with the account that currently owns the project you want to transfer. It's important that you're in the correct account because you'll only be able to transfer projects that belong to the account you're using. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Vercel dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the project section. This is where all your deployed projects are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right scope, especially if you're part of multiple teams or have both a personal and a team view. Make sure you're viewing the personal or team space that currently owns the project you want to move. Find the specific project you want to transfer. On the right side of that projects row, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. This menu gives you access to actions like settings, environment variables, and in our case, transferring the project. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Transfer Project and click it. When you select this, Vercel is preparing to move the project along with its configuration into a different team space. Don't worry, this doesn't instantly change anything for your users. It's just starting the transfer workflow so you can confirm the details. Next, you'll be asked to select a Vercel team. You'll see a list of teams you're already a member of. Choose the team that should become the new owner of this project. This will move billing and management for the project under that team, so pick carefully. If the right team isn't in the list, it likely means you're not a member of that team with sufficient permissions, or the team hasn't been created yet. If you don't have a suitable team set up, you can create one at this stage. Look for the option to create a new team. When you create a team, you'll give it a name and choose the appropriate plan, depending on whether it's for a personal project, a client, or a company. Creating a team is helpful if you want to separate client work, collaborate with others, or centralize billing. Once the new team is created, it will appear as an option for the transfer. After you've either selected an existing team or created a new one, you're ready to move forward. Click the next button to continue. Before you finalize, take a quick moment to double check that you've selected the correct project and the right team. Once you confirm the transfer, the project will move under that team's ownership, including future deployments and project settings. That's all you need to transfer a Vercel project. Go to Vercel, open the project options, choose transfer project, select or create a team, and click next to proceed. Follow these steps carefully, and your project will be safely managed under the new team in just a few clicks.